This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. First thing you'll do is open up Google Chrome. And my defaults, my home page got shifted somehow. If I click on the home icon up here at the top, it takes me to ubuntu.mate or something. I don't know how it got shifted to that, but it did. I want to use google.com as my home page, but you can use any web page as your home page. You just got to navigate to it. Click on the URL up at the top in the address bar. Click on it to where it's highlighted. Then you want to right click and click on copy. Now what you want to do is click on the little menu up here at the top right side, the little three dots. Click on that, go down to settings, and now you want to scroll down to where you see appearance. You can either scroll down and find it, or you can click on it over here off to the pane on the left side. You'll see appearance too. Either way, appearance is right here. And what you want to do, see, this is what my this address here is what my home page is set to. I want to replace that with the address that I just copied. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to press Control V to switch it. Make sure that this is toggled on up here. And that's it. Now my home page is set to google.com instead of that Ubuntu page. So now when I click on the home button icon up here, it takes me to google.com. So that's it. That's how you change it. Thanks for watching.